Hello and welcome again to Fargo Village here in Coventry for the third instalment of the 2018 Open Garage Sessions. So today we have party in a rear, so that's rear wheel drive, rear engine and anything that we think is kind of cool as well. So got some Porsches here, a beautiful GT3 over here. So we've got the Cool Flow Trekker back again. This is very nice, very nice. So from the same family of some years ago and newer, but nicer. Well, not much nicer, different. This is lovely. So we've got that, and we've got some imps as well. So we've got the AA Patrol imp, we've got some other imps dotted about, and we've got the VW shed as well. Slightly biased, but it's a lovely looking Morgan. So it's obviously the Morgan is front wheeled and front engine, but it's rear wheel drive. So hence parking in the rear. We've got another imp. Got a nice Lotus over there. Got another Porsche. So it's lovely. Nice eclectic. Some have come and gone as well, which is always nice. So and sun's out, which is lovely. So June is obviously the Coventry Motofest main event, so we're really looking forward to doing that. So all these cars you see around will hopefully then be at the main event, along with the previous ones that have been at events with us as well. Hopefully the sunshine will be back again, and we won't need these to repair us, but I do love this AA. One of my favourite things I've seen today, the AA Patrol Man.